We are looking at how to pronounce this number, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing words, how to say words including numbers and ranking words. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Listen carefully here. 3. So you have to start with your tongue between your teeth, th, with this th sound. And then you slightly roll the R. It's one of the rare words in English where the R is slightly rolled. It's a bit like an L. You put your tongue just behind your teeth on the top of your palate. 3. So you have to swipe your tongue between your teeth and the top of your palate. 3 is how it's generally said. 3. And now you know. Do you hear that correctly? Now you know. Can you do it? Let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.